Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of January, 2025, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.77. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 8.14% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 6.54% to 13.89%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of around 23.31% over the next year, with possible returns between 13.40% and 29.13%. This suggests a price range of between $588.04 to $669.65 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The QQQ ETF price increased by 1.64% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, rising from $510.23 to $518.58. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.39%, ranging from a low of $512.53 to a high of $519.65. While the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 0.41% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 7 million shares on the last day, with a total of 28 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $14.65 billion. It's important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence, possibly signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $539.15, while the lowest price was $395.35. Currently, the price stands at 3.82%, or $20.57, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The past year has been exceptionally favorable for the Invesco QQQ ETF, with a remarkable 30% total return in the year 2024, following a stellar 54% growth in the year 2023. Despite some anticipated market volatility in the year 2025, large-cap tech stocks remain a promising sector poised to continue their upward trajectory. The recent influx of capital into U.S. equity ETFs, topping $1.12 trillion in the year 2024, underscores investor confidence in these funds, including QQQ. As investors kick off the year 2025, several metrics are being closely monitored to gauge market movements. While sellers have regained some control on Wall Street, the underlying strength of the tech sector, highlighted by its significant performance in the Nasdaq 100, could underpin QQQ's resilience. Concerns exist around possible dips for major ETFs like QQQ due to market dynamics. However, the sustained interest in artificial intelligence and tech innovation suggests a long-term bullish perspective. Given its reputation as a solid investment choice amidst the growing AI landscape, QQQ is positioned to attract continued investment. This could lead to both short-term fluctuations and a robust long-term growth outlook as tech companies adapt and thrive in a transforming market. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, and so far it has fallen by 3.64%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term developments. The QQQ ETF is exhibiting a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, suggesting a positive forecast. On further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $519.68. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find some support from the long-term average at around $516.67. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will initiate a sell signal. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 81 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $516.47, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is regarded as quite low. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $7.12 between its high and low, which equates to a percentage change of 1.39. For the previous week, the daily average volatility of the ETF was 1.62%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest either low expectations for the company's future or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $518.66. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $516.47. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $496.89, which represents a decline of 4.18%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 12 days prior. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Many of the indicators currently suggest a negative trend, which may influence market developments in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we believe that the present level presents a potential buying opportunity, with expectations for prices to rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. Consequently, we have revised our analysis for this ETF, upgrading our recommendation from a sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and trends from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 6th, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by $1.66, starting at $516.92. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.